Hey there, I'm Joe Carter. If you've ever popped the hood and thought, where do I even start? You're in good company. Around here, we take the mystery out of car repair, one fix at a time. Whether you're a beginner or just looking to sharpen your skills, there's something here for you. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe if you're into learning without the headaches. All right, that's enough from me. Let's get into it.
Power steering is necessary to make it easier for the driver to turn the steering wheel while driving. Electric power steering compensates for the applied forces, creating additional torque. This makes it possible to turn the steering wheel while standing still. Despite the fact that most of today's cars have hydraulic power steering, the further the automobile industry goes, the more often you can find electric power steering on the car. Compared to hydraulic, the device of the electric one has such advantages: ease of adjustment, everything is done with the help of a computer. The steering wheel is more informative for the driver. There are no hydraulics as such, which ensures high reliability. Less vehicle energy is used to rotate the steering wheel and less fuel is consumed. Electric power steering has another important advantage over the hydraulic system, namely, the possibility of creating different safety systems, directional stability, automatic steering, lane keeping assistant, etc. Now let's analyze in detail the principle of operation of electric power steering. How the electric power steering is organized. Electric power steering can have a device with different layout options. The mechanism contains a steering rack, which perceives the force. An electric motor transmits the force to the steering shaft. Most often in cars is used EPS with the presence of a rack. There is a design of the mechanism with a parallel drive, in which there are two gears. The classic design of the rack includes an electric motor, a mechanical gear and an onboard computer that controls it all. The device technically combines the mechanical part with the electrical part in a single unit. The working principle of electric power steering is based on the operation of an asynchronous electric motor. How the electric power steering works. Inside the unit, a mechanical gear is needed to transmit the force that the EPS generates to the steering rack. Inside the electrical component, however, one gear transmits the force from the mechanism to the wheel, and the other from the EPS motor. The device here is such that the rack has special protrusions and teeth, which then drive the wheels of the car. If your car uses an EPS with a parallel drive, which is also not uncommon, then here the torque is transmitted with the help of a belt and a screw mechanism. Here everything is a little more complicated from a technical point of view, but no less reliable. In addition to all this, it is important to note that there are also electronic sensors. The device of electronics is based on the work of two sensors, the angle of rotation of the steering wheel and the sensor of torque on the shaft of the steering wheel. Electric power steering, in addition, uses information from the ABS system and from the onboard computer. After processing the information received, the system analyzes what is happening and determines how to influence the steering wheel. In conclusion, the technical design of electric power steering represents a significant advancement in automotive engineering. By integrating sophisticated sensors, precise control algorithms, and efficient electric motors, this system enhances vehicle handling, improves fuel efficiency, and contributes to overall driver comfort. As we continue to innovate and refine these technologies, the future of steering systems looks promising, paving the way for safer and more responsive driving experiences. Thank you for watching, and we hope you gained valuable insights into this essential component of modern vehicles.